One question I come across whenever I attend interviews or anything, they ask one question is when we talk about salary, and if that salary is less than what I was drawing previously, all the recruiters tell us that compromise on the salary part. You already have 2 years of break or 3 years of break. Why don't you compromise? Why don't you start again? So my question is, should we compromise on our salary part, or should we be very confident in saying that, no, I want 10% raise or 20% raise? I mean, what kind of answer is, I don't say this is the right answer or this is the wrong answer, but I just wanted to know how do we present ourselves when it comes to the salary part?
Yeah, you touched upon there's no right or wrong answer, but when it comes to the negotiation, obviously as a recruiter, in terms of they will look at the last round salary, or depending on your the overall years of experience, and they would have a parity level also. So, but to an extent, we know we have come back. You do not need to be in terms of compromise on many things, but at the same time, you've been keeping up to date with the industry and networking. You know what the salary levels have been, so you can obviously negotiate for it.
I would say it depends on how badly you want that job or how badly you want to work with that particular company. So if you think it will make your day, it will make your life forward, a little compromise in salary doesn't matter, because I think you will be able to get back. As somebody mentioned in the morning, you can always come back and probably cross your earlier peers and colleagues as well pretty much soon. So that shouldn't matter.
And I have been selected for one of the L&T financial service company. The thing is, I have submitted every documents and everything is over, and the HR told me I'll be sending the offer letter on the mail. And the second day I called up and she told me, no, your age has been 35, so the limit is only 30.
Don't worry about it. There are companies who don't discriminate by age, so we are open, and there are companies you'll be meeting after 2 o'clock, so ready for it.
Okay, thank you.
Hi everybody, this is Gauri. Actually, my professional life is electrical. So where I worked in Andaman, that's not mentioned any men, women like that. This one work, limited work only can do women like that. But after I tried to settle in Chennai, I'm trying from last year, August 2014 onwards. But wherever I'm attempting interview or calling by seeing the ad or something, what they are saying, first question, females. Sorry, we are just recruiting males only, not suitable for females. I'm not understanding what's the thing in female and male. Because we used to do all the things in there. Generation side we worked, electrical generation side plus T&D side. So we used to do all the things, take care of all the things. Under me that was more or less 100 employees are working. So I'm taking care of that. So I don't know what's the difference between men and women. I'm not understanding this. So can you suggest me, ma'am, please?
Check. I think it's just previous bad examples by some women.
Not only ma'am, Chennai, wherever means I'm seeing the advertisement for electrician, technician, electrical field, wherever. I'm just calling, yeah, applying for that. Straight away they're rejecting because female.
Have you applied for our organization?
Yeah, they're also for.
No, we are very open in terms of
I didn't get any rejection from that, but I applied for that.
No, I know it's a reality. There are some organization or institutions where you have such questions and you have a difficult experience, but there are corporates sitting here, you have sponsors like this, and there are many who encourage diversity. So look for the organization where you help yourself and enable in terms of your career development.
Thank you.
I have 10 plus years of experience in the IT industry, and I've resigned from IBM in the year 2012. Now when I apply, like I was working as an assistant project manager, but now when I apply, you said we can compromise on the salary part, but now I have to compromise on the role also. Like I've been offered like developer or team lead, which I was doing like a decade back. So like, what should I do? Should I compromise on the salary, role, and what else should I compromise?
So don't hold on to just that. Look around for other corporates and keep resetting your dreams. I understand that what you had wanted to be when you passed out of college, the dream that you wanted, a good career graph, never materialized, which is fine, but that is how life is. It has to be a zigzag all the time. It can never be. So reset your dreams, change your dreams, look for where you can again start from and create a new dream for yourself.